Hello there, and very good indeed to have this chance to speak to you. You don't need me to tell you what the effects of the COVID-19 virus have been, but I'm just going to remind you. So many people suffering through illness, bereavement, anxiety, and all sorts of worries for the future. Individual lives affected by that suffering and that sickness, but also lots and lots of other lives affected because of the damage which lockdown has inevitably brought to the economy. But there has been help offered through hospitals, other agencies which have sought to try and support people at times of difficulty, economic help from the government. The Disasters Emergency Committee, however, wants to remind us of people in other parts of the world who don't have the advantages that we have, and perhaps sometimes take for granted, the advantages of healthcare, the advantages of community support, the advantages of economic support. There are lots of places affected by the virus, affected by ongoing conflicts and famines and other shortages, where the kind of help that we take for granted just doesn't exist. So, whilst we may be still suffering from the effects of lockdown, whilst there is still sickness and anxiety, whilst there is still a need for support in our own communities, let's not forget those who don't have the kind of help that we have, who don't have the kind of support that's offered to us. If you're able to, please find details of that Disasters Emergency Committee appeal. And if you can do, I do urge you, please, to support it. Thank you very much indeed.